subscribing. Appreciate you. I'll move the camera so that you can see her face from the other side. She's very pretty. Even though I remove. Toot toot toot. Such a nice and quiet and calm afternoon today. I wanted to go to the beach, but it's such a sanctuary here. With the thanks to the universe. Thank you, God. Don't really feel like going anywhere. Wow, I just got an email about Massachusetts. Apparently, they're expecting heavy traffic along I-90 at I-95 on Friday, May 30, 9 p.m. to Monday, June 2nd, and Friday, June 20 to Monday, June 23rd. So I'm making a public announcement for you guys as well. This is because they will be replacing the I-90 bridge over the MBTA Worcester Community Rail or commuter rail in Newton, Massachusetts, and because of this bridge construction, the traffic will be crazy. Thank gosh that I don't drive on the highway, anyways. So I am going to be avoiding that. Take the bus actually to the gym or to the beach. That's about it for me. Oh my gosh, one of the sponsorships that reached out today is for a wig. I'm interested just because it's a curious type of thing, but what are they trying to say? Are they saying my hair is not enough? It's funny. It's funny. Too much. It's too funny. Too funny, guys, that I'm getting a wig offer now. Oh boy. Like and subscribe, my friends. Like and subscribe. So, I guess I'll show you guys a wig soon. Apparently my hair wasn't enough, and I have to wear a wig. A wig. Not a hig, a wig. Hi, Saji. Hi, baby. Hi, Shonu Monu. Hi, Shonu Monu Shonchu. Sachi Mama. Oh, you're so cute. Sachi found a bird. There is a bird. There is a bird and Sachi will kill it. Oh, Sachi Mama. Oh, you have one foot is hanging, Sachi. Oh. Little baby. Sachi Mama is a little child. Little baby who likes to hunt. A little child. Just a baby.